going on, you guys, man? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be trading my 300k Apex account. As you guys can see right here, I just shared my trade setup on my Discord community. So if you guys are interested in the Discord community, feel free to go ahead and click the link in the bottom of the description. My Discord is 100% free. Yeah, I'll be sharing my trades, breakdowns, my entries, my take profits, and everything in this Discord. Is 100% free. The link is in the bottom of my description. So yeah, I do have this gold demand order block, and the reason that I have so much confidence in this trade is because if I go to gold on the 4-hour time frame, price act as a support and resistance on this zone right here. Price came down, and also on a 2-hour time frame, there's a 2-hour order block, and we got some rejections off this area, and we now having some bullish momentum getting ready to push price now to the upside. So on a 15-minute time frame, there's a 15-minute order block that's right here. Price just recently broke structure to the upside, so now I have my FBOS, which is a future breaker structure if you guys don't know. Also there's imbalance. If you look at price right now on the 4-hour time frame, there's imbalance up in here. And not just that, price has broken structure already on the higher time frame. You guys can see right here, price has already broken structure to the upside. And I look at this as a pullback for price to continue to rally to the upside more. So hopefully I'll be able to catch a nice entry on this trade, and if not, it is what it is. So far, this is the main thing that I do see on this gold setup. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up too. This is Dow Jones, the E-mini. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up this demand order block as well. This is a 5-minute order block. So you guys can see this push right here just took out all these highs and left an imbalance. If I go to a 4-hour time frame, price been very bullish. We broke structure over here, so I do have confidence that price may possibly come down and pull back to this 5-minute order block for me to possibly get an entry to the upside. Let me go ahead and mark this order block up right here. Stop loss will be here. Probably want to go for a 3-to-1 risk reward. You just have to see what's going to happen if price decides to come back. So I'm going to also share this trade on the Discord. So yeah, let's go ahead and share that too. So hopefully we'll be able to catch a move with either one of these trades, and if we do, that'll be a great way to start the week. Also this morning I did share in the Discord that there is news at 1 o'clock, but I will not be in the market around this time. So there's no more orange or red folder news throughout the rest of the day. So hopefully we just be able to get some momentum. Hopefully we be able to just get some momentum. Yo, I apologize to cut y'all out in the middle of the video, but I gotta let you guys know, if you guys are looking for a trading community of like-minded traders, trading supply and demand, most of us trade supply and demand, and just have each other to be able to hold each other accountable, uplift each other, in a place that I also share all my trade setups, go ahead and click the link on the bottom of my description. My Discord is 100% free. It's 100% open for the community. Man, all I want us to do is be able to come together and just win, make money, break generational curses, bro, and just become financial free. Also, if you guys are Forex trading, just looking for a reliable broker, I highly recommend you guys tap the link in the bottom of my description and sign up with HANKOTRADE. They do have a brand new trading platform, HANKOX, man. The whole 2024, man, we getting it. That being said, let's get back to the video. I don't want to hold y'all up. You did. So we got price coming down to this 15-minute order block. Hopefully we be able to get a nice reaction down here in this 15-minute demand. Let me see if there's a 5-minute demand here. All right, so there is also a 5-minute demand order block too. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up too. Worst case scenario. What I would like to see is for price to come down to the 15-minute demand order block instead. That way I will have a bit more wiggle room to put my stop loss. If I just enter the 5-minute demand and put my stop loss here, price may go up and then come back down, stump me out, and stay within this 15-minute order block. So hopefully I'm able to get a nice setup off this 15-minute order block. Patience is the name of this game. If you do like this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. Later on in this video, I will be explaining to you guys why I feel as if the 300K account is by far the hardest account. And they're not explaining why. Like, I'm gonna explain to you guys why. There's like this hidden thing that's going on when you get ready to purchase this account. So I'm doing this challenge with Apex. So yeah, I'm gonna explain to you guys that later on. All right, so we getting the rejection off this 5-minute order block. I want to see price push within here a little bit more and come out, and then give me like a nice wick rejection or like a 5-minute candle break. I'm gonna definitely get in. I will be risking 1,500. That'll be a 0.5% of this 300K account. All right, price look like it wants to respect this 5-minute. I'm gonna just go ahead and mark this up just in case price do break this area. I might go for a 1 or 2, but that'll be a huge. I don't like these setups because it may take forever for price to play out. So that's why I really hope that price tapped into this 15-minute order block down here. Once price break this order block, this candlestick. What time it is? I got another 4 more minutes before this next candlestick start printing. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a nice risk to reward with this trade. Hopefully, because we are coming off of support at the end of the day. We definitely tapped the 15. I want to see it come down a little bit more. A little bit more would be nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I went ahead and took this trade. Big stop loss. Hopefully we'll be able to catch a nice 2-to-1. Based on how price moves up, I may go ahead and move my take profit a little bit more higher. Once price breaks structure, I will move this trade to break even. We got 0 drawdown this trade so far. 0 drawdown. One thing I did not want to happen is for price to leave without me. That's one thing I did not want to happen, is for this gold trade to leave without me, because I was pretty confident in this trade. Mainly because what's going on the higher time frame, that price is reacting off a support area, and it gave some bullish momentum throughout the night and into this morning. We got some nice momentum. So yeah, man, let's just hope that we get some more bullish momentum. The bulls come in, strike all this damn imbalance throughout this day. But I ain't gonna lie, it's hot out here. I'm gonna probably see you guys back inside because this trade gonna take a while for it to play out. I'm gonna go ahead and set the risk. Let me go ahead and look at the 30 minute, 15 minute. 2-to-1, 15, 3,000. Yeah, this trade gonna take a while for it to play out, so I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys inside. Boy, I ain't gonna lie, I'm sorry, man. That heat outside was just kicking my ass, but Apple Jacks. Yeah, but I'm gonna finish this later. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get ready and show you guys exactly what's going on with this gold trade. For the ones, let me see. Boom. So as of right now, we're up 41 ticks. I do not like to look at the dollar amount. So, dang, I feel as if I can present myself a lot better. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do everything from the top. All right, so boom. On my Discord channel, I originally shared this. I was looking at NAS 100. I shared this early this morning around like 6:30 a.m. So what happened was this morning, price was not holding. I had a bit of a hard time when it comes to setting up my when I went outside. I had a hard time just setting everything up because for one, the heat, and for two, I didn't realize that to connect my thing to OBS, I had to like not have it connect to my hotspot, and it wouldn't connect. It was just, it was weird. So yeah, I realized when I looked at NAS that it broke through this zone. So I was like, you know what, this shit is completely invalid. So I looked at gold, and I realized that gold had a support and resistance area. This was a very strong level of support, acted as a resistance. All right, it came down, it rejected off this 2-hour order block. There's also a 2-hour order block that's right here. All right, we had several wicks that rejected this 2-hour order block. So my bias is that price getting ready to go up and filling all this imbalance. So all I told myself is that I need to go ahead and find a entry on the 5 or the 15-minute time frame. So boom, I realized that price started creating higher highs. So if you guys don't know what higher highs is, it's market structure. All right, so we're coming down. There was a low, a high, a low. Then now this is a market structure shift. Down, high, low, high, low. I'm like, you know what? Price getting ready to go back up. Hey, look, price is starting to shoot back up. So that's why I decided to go ahead and buy off this order block. I have marked up the 15-minute, and I also marked up a 5-minute. But I was not sure if price was going to go ahead and tap into that 15-minute. So I just kind of got in a little bit more aggressive. Let me mark up where I had marked up the 5-minute. I marked this up. Boom. Yeah, I marked this up, and I'm like, you know what? Price may not even go to this 15-minute order block. And then when I seen that it was reacting off this 5-minute, I went on ahead and got in. If I'd have known this, I'd have just had my stop loss here. But it is what it is. I am doing a 300K challenge. This is the biggest challenge I can get on Apex, and I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly why this shit is hard. Hold on one moment. I'm gonna explain to you guys why this challenge is so hard. So let me see. Let me go back to me. Where is me? Go back to me. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly why I feel as if this challenge is so hard, and then I explain this to you guys on Apex. So hold on. Boom. So I took notes, just so you guys see. I did take notes because I realized that there was like this, it's like a trap somewhat. It's a trap. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and show I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the yeah, so really quick, I'm gonna explain to you guys why I feel as if this 300K is the hardest by far challenge to pass. You got to really pay attention to the numbers because they don't have percentages. So you got to actually sit down and do your own due diligence and calculate all these numbers out, and then you'll see how they'll really be getting over. So for one, Apex do have extreme big discounts. And more likely, if you see a challenge, right? This is human nature. If you see a challenge and you got 25K, a 50K, a $75, a 75K, 100K, 150K, 250K, and 300K. You have all these challenges, and all of them are like $40. All of them are $40. Which one would you naturally choose? $40 for a 25K, $45 for a 100K, $45 for a 250K, or $45 for the biggest K? You're gonna go for the biggest. You can go for the biggest one. But I'm going to show you guys why this shit was a trap somewhat. So what happened was this. All right, so let me scroll down right here. So you have all these things, right? You have, this is the biggest one. This is 25K. You got the 50K right here. You got 75K. You got the 100K. You got the 150K. You have a 250K, and you have the biggest 350K. So right here, I have notes, and I'm going to break down to you guys exactly the notes that I have. Where's my phone? All right, so boom. So if you guys can see right here, there is this 25K. That's the lowest. That's the lowest one. All right. With this 25K, the profit target is 1,500. Your trailing threshold is 1,500. So the 1,500 is 6%, and the trailing is 6%. So it's like a 1-to-1 risk reward. When you go to 50K, the profit target is 3,000, which is 6%, and the trailing is 5%. When you go to 75K, the take profit is 5.6%. This is 5.6% that you need to make of this account, and this right here is 3.6%. So now things are kind of getting hard because it's like, okay, if I hit 3% stop loss, my take profit is almost 6%. So I really have to have a nice risk reward. Like my winners really have to be way bigger than my smallers. And then the bigger the size, the bigger the accounts get, the harder it becomes. So in 100K, your take profit is 6%, and your stop loss, your trailing threshold, is 3%. That's a 2-to-1 risk reward. 150K is a 3.3 stop loss and is a 6% take profit. 250K is a 6% take profit and is a 2.6% trailing. And the last one, this is the one I got. This is why it's the hardest. My take profit goal is a 6.6 and my trailing is a 2.5, bro. Now, if you guys understand what I just said, it's showing you guys that you can't risk no 1%, because if you risk 1% 2 times, you damn near done. If you lose a 0.5%, it's over with after that. If you lose a 0.5%, it's over with after that. So that's why I have to risk a very small amount to get like a big risk reward. I gotta try to target a 3-to-1 risk rewards. And I had to like really lock in and make sure that my price does not go and draw down as much. So yeah, man, that's why I feel honestly that this challenge is very hard. So yeah, let's look back with gold. Let's see what's going on with gold again. Yeah, so boom, I see that price has potential of going all the way up here to fill in all this imbalance that's on the left. To fill in all this imbalance that's on the left side of it, because we're coming off the support and we're also coming off this 2-hour demand order block. So yeah, that's why I took this trade. I went for like my risk reward is like going for like a 2-to-1 risk reward. Based on the volume that comes into the market, I more likely may move my my take profit a little bit more up. I'm gonna be trailing this once price go ahead and break structure. This trade gonna soon be at break even, because I gotta make sure that the drawdown threshold does not get clapped, because once it does get clapped, it's over with. I lose. So let's just see. I'm gonna go ahead and see what would have caught, and if I would have been able to set up my set up everything quickly. So boom, I realized that, go to NAS 100, because I did see someone post something on Instagram saying that NAS 100 was clean as hell. Let me see. Yeah, NAS 100 was clean, because as you guys can see, I could have easily took a sell despite the higher time frame. Let me delete everything because I don't need none of that. Price at the end of the day, if you look at NAS 100, it's creating lower lows. Price broke structure here. Price broke structure here. All right. Price broke structure here. All right, my trading plan, I cannot trade before 9:30 at all. I have to enter my trade 9:30 or later. So the only trade opportunity I have seen, if it would have came down to it, is this supply area. This is a supply zone. All right, this whole area up here. It depends how you make it. You can do it here, you can do it here, but just know it's an area. It's not a specific zone. It's not a specific spot, but it's just like an area where price come off of. So price came to this area, I would have easily gotten in. I easily got in when I seen that wick. I got in. My stop loss would have been a little bit more above my my order block, and my take profit would have been the breaker structure. I'd have caught a 4-to-1 risk reward if I would have been able to set up my everything up very quick when I was outside. But man, look, I would never do that shit again. I am not fucking going outside and trading again. That shit is completely dead. So yeah, man. So as of right now, everything is very slow, bro. Gold is going really slow right now. So yeah, I'm gonna come back later on and tap in and see if what's going on with this trade. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. My bad, I'm gonna turn my eyes around. It's for this storm. I know y'all probably just missed that damn thunder, but I want to tell all you guys I really appreciate everyone that subscribed to my channel, bro. We just tapped 4,000 subscribers, and bro, the words cannot be expressed how much I appreciate all you guys for showing love on my channel since day one, man. You guys know the purpose of my whole YouTube channel was to be able to inspire new and beginner traders that get into the industry, man. And as of right now, I can actually say I've been touching and inspiring people, and I'm just want to continue to do the same thing, man. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, share content if you think it'll be interest into anyone. It's raining right now. I gotta get out of this rain. But yeah, I want to tell you guys I really appreciate it. And that being said, I'm gonna see you guys shortly. Yo, what's going on, you guys? So I just decided to go ahead and close out the trade, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why. I've been in this trade for so long, like all day, literally. And if price really wanted to go ahead and fill in that imbalance, it would have. Mind you guys, I cannot be in no trade after 5 o'clock. We just picked my daughter up from school, and I'm more likely to get ready to start my evening. It wouldn't have made sense for me to just sit around on this computer all day. It's just not fair for me. It's not fair for my wife, and it's not fair for my daughter who just spent a few hours in school all day. So yeah, I just decided to go ahead and close this trade out. As you guys can see right now, this is the current equity right now. I closed out at 1069. That's not even 1%. That's not even a 0.5%. But we're gonna come back into the market tomorrow. Right here. Yeah, so we're gonna be back in the market tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed it. If you got anything out of it, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. Like I said before, if you guys are looking for a broker, tap in with HANKOTRADE. The link is in the bottom of my description. If you are a Forex trader, not just that, if you guys are interested in Discord, it's free. It's in the description, man. That being said, that'll be it for this video. Till next time, you already know what it is. Deuces.